Well, it's good to have an if, then, else statement, but what if we have more scenarios? What if we want to know, I want it to say something if it's 12, and I want it to say something if it's 5, and I want it to say something if it's anything other than those two. Well, I have a solution for you. Okay, so let's just change this around a little bit. If C6 is 12, then the message box is going to say 12. And now we're going to say else if, so that's a thing, else if. And then you go ahead and make your next if statement. So else if range C6 equals 5, then, and hit tab, and we're going to say the message box is going to say 5, or excuse me, exclamation mark. Now it's 5. And then you can put your else whenever you're ready. So now we'll say, for anything else, bad. I don't like that. It's too vague. So we're going to say, please enter either a 5 or a 12. Okay. The deed is done. We have an if, then. We have an else if, then. And then we have our final else. You don't have to put an else. It could just be these two or the highway. Let's hit F5. Oops. I need to put MSG box. Okay, 12. Alright, let's put the number 5 in there. And it's going to say 5. And now I'm going to put the number 3 in there. And it's going to say, oops, I need to deselect from that cell that I'm currently editing. Now it's going to say, please either enter a 5 or 12. Cool. So now we have an if then, else statement.